Hey my youth, you know where you watch.
Family, me I show you something else real quick. See? I want to store me there to come get some greens to go cook. But you know what this? This is a dasheen leaf, you know, people. See dasheen leaf over dash your yard. Them eat them together far, you know. Dasheen leaf, you know, brother. See? Dasheen leaf, you know. In a bag. Serious thing I tell you now. Let me show you the dasheen stalk. And like me I tell you people, it's a dasheen or a cocoa stalk. We see where a dash way a yard. Let me show you something. See that? See that people? The dasheen or like a cocoa stalk. You know the leaf, when they cut off the leaf them. You know, like a middle leaf them, you dash off it, you cut off a leaf off of them before you cut off a coconut at the bottom. See that? For sale in our family. I not cheap. It's not cheap. It's a $4 something. It's not cheap family. So, I tell you something with dash your yard, you see. I say we find something again we are showing you. Because them people that eat all the banana nibble, you know. You know, the nibble on the banana. The people that eat, they eat the banana nibble. The nibble of the banana. Now peel that sheen. Yeah, that sheen peel already, you know. Yeah, some little thing when them eat. They must not have none now at the banana nibble, but these people eat the banana nibble. So some things over at that yard, other people eat it. And it's a Asian store. Okay? Filipino, Asian, Chinese, whatever you call them. Yeah. If you notice them people that eat good, because they don't get fat. Yeah, people that eat up a good shape. Jamaican call us out. Yeah man. Ah, see it man, see the banana nibble there. See it. You think I lie me I tell brother. See the nibble there. This is a banana nibble. You know cheap either. $3 something. Almost $4. See? Nibble of the banana, we just dash them, we just chop off them and drop them, dash them away. See people eat them there. See? After the cocoa leaf, the stalk, after we cut off the leaf, we dash them and say we dash away. You see it? So we need to find out the nutritional value and all this stuff and why we keep throwing them away when other people eating them. Alright? Call us out.
Viewers and subscribers, you take a look and see what the man showed a while ago. The things them where we dash way in a Jamaica. You see me? The man just show you banana nibble, the dasheen leaf, all the stem thing like a come out, all them sit there with dash with them there. And look what the man is showing. You see me? In a the store, in a supermarket overseas. You see me I say? Right? You look at it, these people sell them, right? And judging by the value of the tree and the $5 and so forth, you can just know where it value out here to the value. Look on the little piece. We dash it where we don't want them there to eat. No, Jamaicans don't eat them there. Well, me not gonna say Jamaicans we don't eat because me can't talk for everybody. But a lot of people throw just dash for these things. You see me? A man rip out the cocoa and then just take the food for half of the bottom of it, and I tell them dash with the part of the leaf. A man chop the banana and take off the nibble. As a matter of fact, before the banana even fit, some people chop off the nibble and throw it away because them say that the nibble, when they chop it off, the banana finger get thicker and fitter them way there. You see this video when me just present to you and show you some of the things them where Jamaicans throw away where other people cook. Now, if you have never cooked something like this before and if you never know about it and so forth, do not go and try it. Don't go try and say you have an experiment and find out because it can be very dangerous. This is a warning, you know. I mean, yes, you might see the video showing you certain things and say, yes, this is what, but at the same time, if you have never cooked any form of food like this and you don't know of this being the food where you used to cook, do not go and try it. Do not go and experiment. You understand? Don't do it because it can be dangerous. You see me? I am not encouraging anyone that have never done anything like this before or even so forth. My uncle show you what other people out there are cook. You see me? I say my uncle show you where we throw away, other people use. So look at all breadfruit now, right? You know that thing that is called breadfruit. So anytime we go look after breadfruit, we always intend to peel the breadfruit. But one day somebody look at me and tell me, say, yo, we peel the skin off of the breadfruit for cook it, but in some countries in the world, some people just cut the breadfruit and put it in the pot just like that with the skin and everything. You know, this person went as far as to look at me and tell me, say, that even the ripe breadfruit that we Jamaicans would dash it away, you know, some Jamaicans would throw away the ripe breadfruit and say that it's spoiled and all these things. That person look at me and tell me, say, yo, them eat the ripe breadfruit just raw, just like that, you know, just like a normal ripe fruit on the tree. Them just eat the ripe breadfruit like that. I'm looking at myself and me and say, really? So one day now me there on social media, and you know, somehow this video come to me, and when me take a look, I'm looking at a female eating the breadfruit ripe, just like that, not cooked nor anything. You see it? Now, there is also words out there that the breadfruit can make juice and all them things, you see me? But I have never tried anything like that, so I can't recommend it, you know, means, but that's what me hear really and truly about breadfruit in certain things, you see? Now you notice I'm show you leaf in a one bag where I sell, and him say I either cocoa or dasheen leaf or one of them, right? From my little youth I grew up, I always hear say if it's not the cocoa, it is the dasheen, but one of them is dangerous, right? In a way where it say is either it scratch the throat or something, but them say one of them scratch, right? Now, me not to remember exactly all the details go behind that, but it always, you know, something I always hear say it's dangerous. You see me? And then when it comes to all the banana thing with the banana navel, you know, say banana carry a whole heap of stain and all them things there. So I say, so all them little things there, I try to point out when time I say, yo, be careful. You see me? Don't go try and experiment on something where you don't understand. I remember one time me and my cousin them left and go on one party, you know, like a very exclusive party. You see me? When time we reach at the party, it's like a some red carpet style, you know. Everything just look real pretty, you know, real pretty. You see me? And when me look, me see like 3 table, and on the 3 table, the table then long, like way out, some big long table, 3 of them, and all kind of food up on top of it and them things there. We see all pig. We see all pig with the apple in the mouth and all them kind of settings. They're right in Jamaica, you see me? And that party, I see some kind of leaf thing cut up for them say a vegetable, and when me look on the leaf thing when I talk about, say cut up look like a vegetable, me and my cousin them there and we start to say, no man, this little leaf thing I look like one flowers where they are yard. You see me? And we pay a little attention to it and so forth until one of my cousin come over. And to be honest, me not gonna tell you, me can't tell you exactly what the flower's name, but my cousin come over and identify it and say, yes, that vegetable thing we see right there, so is actually, it is actually a thing we wanna have on the yard and think of flowers. But we think of flowers only as flowers, but at that party, that thing was on the table as a vegetable. So you see what the thing said, viewers and subscribers. So it's a thing for us to know, you see me? But not because me go there so go see that now and me go know that now. Me not go home go try and experiment it, you see me? Because I don't know how to prepare it, I don't know how to do it. Next thing me go pick up the wrong thing, I go cook it and go end up poison myself, you see me? So at them little things that when you hear me talk and I say, yo, don't try and experiment with these things. Not because you see it say, yo, it can cook and eat, you don't know what, you know, or how it will cook, or the way it's supposed to be done, or how long it will cook. It can be very dangerous. That's why you hear me say something like this, you see. But you don't know, viewers and subscribers, me they have to just show you certain things where I go on and keep on up to date and post it as always. I saw dancer skill I do the thing, you see. And me learn something, me really and truly learn something from this little clip that this man put out there to social media, trying to let us understand what is going on. That some of the things them where we throw away at yards, like some of the food where we Jamaicans just discard it, throw it away, and you see me, it's not a food, you know. What I should say is some of the things them where we throw away and discard out there is actually food to someone else out there. That this man I try to show we right about now. But again, me I say it, you know, don't try to experiment it because you don't understand it. You understand? leave it to people who understand it or probably go school for it or whatsoever, because it can be very dangerous. Alright, I don't know the things set already, viewers and subscribers. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think, and don't forget to read the comments, as my viewers and subscribers can leave some very interesting things in the comment section. It can be very informative, as well as I myself can leave a comments in the comment part sometimes, you know, that can keep you up to date to each video that I bring to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, and you don't know, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.